Hi there, and welcome to this GovShop training series. In this video, we'll discuss the My GovShop dashboard. The My GovShop dashboard was launched in 2021 and is the newest product development from GovShop. To access the dashboard, when you're logged into GovShop, you'll be automatically redirected to the dashboard. This is the My GovShop dashboard. You can see your followed opportunities, total saved lists, and total keywords. You can see the suggested opportunities section, the followed opportunities, the opportunities followed type, so you can understand what stages the opportunities you are following are in. You can show your lists, your keywords, your locations. Finally, you can match your opportunities, you can view your company profile, and you can edit your company profile. Now that you're on the dashboard, you're going to want to start populating it with keywords, which you can do in two sections. Here at the top where it says edit keywords, or down at the bottom in my opportunity keywords. To make the edit, you hit this pencil symbol, which will open up this box. You can see the keywords that I had already entered, but say I wanted to add another, say it's medical devices. I can select medical devices and hit save and manage. This will show all the list of keywords that I want to use. Here on the right, you can toggle on the keywords that you want to find opportunities for, and you'll hit save. One thing to note when using the My GovShop dashboard is the number of keywords that you have access to. GovShop has 3 levels of subscriptions seen here: free, starter, and accelerator. And at each level, you get access to different number of keywords. At the free level, you get access to 1 keyword. At the starter level, 3 keywords. And at the accelerator level, 10 keywords. Going back to our dashboard, you can see here, we use the accelerator plan where I have access to 10 keywords. And I can toggle on all 10 and hit save, and it'll populate and cross-reference all 10 keywords. Additionally to adding keywords, you can search for opportunities by location. To do that, again, hit the pencil symbol by My Opportunity Locations, which will open this bar. Say you're looking for an opportunity in the state of Maryland, so you would type in Maryland, click United States, and hit save. That'll add your opportunity location keywords as well. From here, you can see your entire list of suggested opportunities. Here are all the suggested opportunities that the GovShop machine has picked for you. If you're interested in exploring more and learning more about these opportunities or want to see all of the opportunities, you click Show All here. This will open up the supplier opportunity database, where you'll see all the suggested opportunities. Currently, under the keywords that we entered under that location, there are 271 opportunities. When again, we're looking for personal protective equipment, COVID-19, personal protective services, and PPE. You can see here on the right the different opportunities and that I am following these opportunities. You can easily toggle on and off the following by clicking the following button. And again, remember, when you click follow on or follow off, these opportunities will populate back in your My GovShop dashboard.